Imagine checking your bank account one day and realizing you've been running out of money. Not because you're careless, but because no one ever taught you how to manage it. You're a student, you've got dreams, responsibilities, maybe even pressure from family or society, and yet your money disappears faster than you can track. What if, starting today, you could take control of every dollar you have, no matter how small it is, and slowly build a future where money stops being a problem, it starts becoming your power? If you're serious about changing your financial habits and building a smarter future, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Personal Finance for All. Because this is where simple ideas turn into real financial growth, especially for students like you. Let's be real for a second. Being a student is not easy. You've got tuition, books, transportation, food, maybe even rent. And on top of that, you still want to enjoy life. You want to go out with friends, buy things you like, and not feel left out. The problem isn't that you're spending money. The real problem is spending without a plan. That's where budgeting changes everything. Budgeting doesn't mean restricting your life. It means giving your money a direction. Think of it like this. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear without telling you where it went. And for students, even a small mistake repeated daily can turn into a big financial struggle over time. Start with something simple. Know exactly how much money you have coming in every month. This could be allowance, part-time income, freelance work, or support from family. Don't guess. Be precise. Even if it's $100 or $300, that number matters. Once you know your income, the next step is understanding your spending. Most students underestimate how much they spend on small things. Coffee, snacks, subscriptions, random online purchases. Individually, they feel small, but together, they create a financial leak. Track your expenses for at least 1 week. Write everything down, no exceptions. What you'll discover might surprise you. Now here's where things start to change. Divide your money into categories. Essentials like food, transport, and study materials come first. Then come savings. Yes, savings even, if it's just a small amount. And finally, your personal or fun spending. This structure gives you control without making you feel restricted. A powerful mindset shift is this: pay yourself first. Before you spend on anything else, take a small portion of your money and save it. It doesn't have to be big. Even $5 or $10 regularly saved builds a habit. Habits are what create long-term success. Another important thing students often ignore is setting limits. If you decide you'll spend $50 on entertainment this month, stick to it. Once it's gone, it's gone. This teaches discipline, which is more valuable than money itself. Discipline is what allows you to grow when others stay stuck. Let's talk about something that quietly drains student budget: subscriptions. Streaming services, apps, memberships. Many students forget they're even paying for them. Take a few minutes and review everything you're subscribed to. Cancel anything you don't truly need. That alone can save you a surprising amount every month. Now, imagine this scenario. You go out with friends, and everyone is spending freely. It's easy to feel pressured to do the same. But here's the truth. Smart students don't follow the crowd blindly. They make decisions based on their goals. You don't need to say no to everything, but you do need to choose wisely. Cooking at home instead of eating out, using student discounts, buying used books instead of new ones. These are not sacrifices. These are smart moves. And over time, they create a gap between you and those who struggle financially. Another powerful tip is to always have a small emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A sudden expense can ruin your entire budget if you're not prepared. Even setting aside a little money regularly for emergencies gives you peace of mind. Let's also talk about income. Budgeting is not just about cutting expenses. It's also about increasing what you earn. As a student, you have opportunities: freelancing, tutoring, part-time jobs, online work. Even small side hustles can make a big difference. The more control you have over your income, the more freedom you create. But here's something most people don't tell you. Budgeting is not about being perfect. You will make mistakes. You will overspend sometimes. That's normal. So what matters is consistency. Every month you improve a little. Every decision becomes slightly better. And slowly your financial life transforms. Think about your future self. The person you want to become after graduation. Confident, independent, financially stable. That version of you is built by the decisions you make today, not someday, not next year, today. And if you stay consistent with these habits, something powerful happens. You stop feeling stressed about money. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. You start making decisions based on choice, not fear. At Personal Finance for All, the goal is simple: to help you build that confidence step by step, in a way that feels real and achievable. Before we wrap this up, take a moment and think about your current habits. Where's your money going? What is one small change you can make starting today? Because real change doesn't come from big decisions. It comes from small actions repeated daily. If this video made you think differently about your money, drop a comment below and share your biggest challenge as a student when it comes to budgeting. And if you know someone who struggles with managing their money, share this video with them. Might genuinely help them more than you think. Your financial journey doesn't start when you graduate. It starts right now. The sooner you take control, the stronger your future becomes.